Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing? I know you all are doing great by his grace. So in today's video I'm going to be taking out my twist. Look at that, guys. So I've had this twist out on now for 3 whole weeks plus. If you have not checked out that video how I made this or how I achieved this beautiful twist, go ahead. I'm going to leave the link of this twist in the description box so you can check it out. So today, after successfully rocking it for a whole 3 weeks, I'm about to turn it into a twist out with you guys. So that being said, if you just seen this woman for the very first time, have you subscribed? I'm going to give you guys a quick countdown for you guys to join this family. In 3, 2, 1, boom! Have you subscribed? Have you? I know you have subscribed. Thank you so much for joining the family. You are welcome here. To all our old subscribers, thank you so much. For everyone watching and liking and commenting, I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch. So let's just fly into the video, dive into the video, swim into the video. However, so guys, first thing first, I'm going to be using this my homemade aloe vera oil. That's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to have to pour from this my homemade aloe vera into this empty white growth oil that I have used before, so the can was empty, so we don't need too much. We're just going to put just a drop like so, then rub it around like that. Just kind of massage it into your scalp like that. Just kind of massage it into your scalp like that. So now that that is done, it's about to go down. We are about to take down the braid. We're about to take down the twist. So to take out your twist, guys, all you need is look for the tip. To take down your twist, all you need to do is look for the tip like that. Don't start from the roots. If you start from the roots, you're going to rip your hair. You're going to rip all the ends and all that. So that will result to hair loss. So we're going to just gently loosen the tip like so, just the way I'm doing it now. Loosen it all out like that. Then now you can go all the way and unravel the twist like that. Keep unraveling it. Just like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Boom! So now that we have successfully unraveled the twist like that, if I do I'll do another video of twist out where I will just twist it and just do it the next day as a twist out. But in today's video, I'm just going to go ahead and untwist all of them. You know, we have rocked this one for 3 whole weeks. So if I'm not looking at the camera right now, that's because I am staring at the mirror. So guys, if you see my face in this angle, there's a mirror there. That's what I'm looking at. So boom, like that. Get one, go all the way to the tip. Go, 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 like that. Boom. Then unravel like so. Untwist it, untwist, untwist. Boom, boom, and boom. Yeah, I'm making sure that it's well separated. Like that. See, that's what I'm basically going to be doing to all the twists. So guys, please don't just watch the video and leave it like that. Be sure to click on the like button, thumbs up button. It's just by the front of the video. So if you like the video, always make sure you give me a thumbs up. That will help YouTube recommend the video some more. So please like the video if you find the video helpful. Thank you. Thank you guys. So if you are new here, my name is Sarah. I live in Canada and I am a mom of 4. So when your braid is 4 weeks like this, when taking it down, you have to be gentle. Yeah, see, as if this place is all clenched together. So if your braid is almost 4 weeks, why do I keep calling it braid? It's not braid, it's twist. So if your twist is 3 weeks old like mine, when taking it out, it's not going to be like you're taking it down the next day. So you have to be careful. See, even the roots, look at it. It's kind of gummy together. So I have to take my time to separate them. So let me just do that one more time. Go ahead like that. Go all the way to the tip because you have carried it for 3 weeks. Gently unravel it, untwist it like that. Then, see, as you're separating it, you have to be careful because some has gone ahead to tangle together. Boom. So that's how you untwist it. Let me go ahead and lose it. I'll see you guys when I'm done losing. Okay guys, this is how far I've loosed the hair, as you can see. So I just left a couple here so we can perfect it. You can see all those. All you need to do is just dust it out. Dust it out. It's just literally the oil, maybe all the cream that I use. And it's 3 whole weeks, so it's expected. For all of you that are subscribed, those ones that are coming back, I really appreciate you. All you need to do is just dust it out. If you see the whiteness here, it's just the product, and I've carried it for a long time, 3 whole weeks. So before taking it down, that's why. So if you take it out like 1 week or 2, you will not encounter anything like that. So now, give it a shake. I love to shake my hair naturally. Come on, give it a shake. Hey. That's crazy, guys. Look at that. Bam. Oh my word. This is looking so beautiful, even with just that shake. Yeah, I love shaking my hair. I don't know if there's anyone remaining inside that is not unraveled, but I know, because it was tiny twist, I would definitely find some like that. This is taking it down after 3 weeks. Boom. After 3 weeks. Boom. After 3 weeks. Boom. So by Monday, this says it's gonna be 1 month. 1 month. So I'm just gonna wait till it's 1 month. I'm still gonna rock it. I'm gonna rock it a couple of days before I wash it. Oh my word. So guys, normally I'm supposed to unravel them like this. If you feel like to give it more volume, you want it to be fuller, you just go ahead and untwist it like. But I'm not going to be doing that. I'm not going to unravel anyone, except I see anyone that is extremely big, something like this. This one is big, so just like that, you just unravel it like that and coil it around your finger. So that's how you unravel twist. Let me look for one more. So are you guys seeing it? Like this. See, it has even separated on its own. You can see, just like that. Yeah, go with the separation. Boom, just like that. If you want to unravel anyone, look at this big one. I'm only just going to do it for a couple of the big ones, just like that. Separate them gently. So this is it, guys. But so because I've left it for like 3 weeks now, that's why my hair is always short. I am the queen of. So every of the tips that look unhealthy to me, I'm just gonna chop them out like this. Just gonna cut them out like so. So like that. Now that we are done with that, you can either rock it like this, or give it more volume. If you want to give your hair more volume, you want it to be like all full, get some like this, unravel it. I've showed you guys example before. Just unravel them like that, unravel them. See that? Yeah, lose some out, lose some out, lose some out, like that. See it? So that's how to get more volume, unravel some. Then don't end it up there. So let's hype it up. Look at that. Good girl. Ooh, 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 ooh. So you can either use this. There's one of my other video that I uploaded and I used the blue one. You can use this or you use the pick. This is a picky comb. You can use the blue one that I used in my video when I was making hair for my kids. So they do same. Let's add more volume. So it like that. I'm looking at my mirror, see what I'm doing. So like that. But if you're still not satisfied that this is not full enough for you, you can pat it out like this. Yeah, you can just give it a patting the way you like it. Just wave it to one side like that. Yeah, these are the type of things I was cutting out like this. Cut it out. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful, guys, right? It's beautiful. Look at that. You can see it. Let me go close to the camera. Look at that definition, guys. It's beautiful. I'm still gonna rock it. Then we'll do the treatment together. That will be in another video, why we treat the hair, because you've rocked it for a very long time now, so you have to treat it so that your hair will be healthy, right? So guys, thank you so much to all my amazing, beautiful watchers coming back to watch, subscribers. I appreciate you all. I don't take your love and like for granted. Keep watching, keep sharing my video. I love you all just the way you love me. Peace. We out.